trust the timing in your life. It's gonna happen. Hey Glams, and happy new year, guys. Happy 2021. Thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did this 2021 vision board, what I used, and how I put it together. So keep on watching. So I got all of these images off of Pinterest. I then sent them to my computer and uploaded them on canva.com. Okay, you guys, so I ended up not doing the canvas way because it was it was way too expensive, and I wasn't able to, like, I don't know, I wasn't able to do it. It just is a lot easier for me. I just went to walmart.com, I uploaded all my pictures, and as you can see, I already put in my order. My computer is getting ready to die, and my charger literally is not working. So I have to get another charger ASAP. And yeah, I put my order in, so I'm going to go pick up my pictures and get ready to get started. See you guys later. Bye. So you guys, I'm starting off with these two all black foam boards. I purchased these at the Dollar Tree. They're very easy to find, very lightweight. I'm using the foam boards because I am going to be push pinning my images into the boards. So I'm not gluing them, I'm not taping them. I'm going to be using the push pins because I want to reuse these images. So here you see that I'm just going to be placing the images in the general area of where I want them on my vision board. I'm placing them on by category. So I'm going to do health, beauty, fitness, nutrition, lifestyle, family, and travel. And then dream purchases are going to kind of be like mixed in with that. So that's what you're seeing here, and this is pretty much how it started to look as I placed the images on the board and where I want them in the different areas. And I was like, you know what, this looks good, I kind of like it, but I did want to add a little bit more spice to it. So I then started to, after I put the images on, I started to put on some sunflowers. To me, flowers represent like growth, and so that's what this whole vision board is about: growth, what you want, what you're manifesting, and what you want to happen in your life. So that's why I'm placing the flowers all over the board. I'm just using a hot glue gun to place the flowers on. You can pretty much find them anywhere, very easy to find. I'm going to be using some duct tape just to glue the boards together in the back and in the front. Yes, you guys, this is my 2021 vision board. Okay, so yeah, this is pretty much how it looks. It is not done. It's not done, but I wanted to get it started because, yeah, I just wanted to get it started because, you know, it's about to be New Year's Eve. It's about to be January 1st. And as you know, I always usually do it like in the middle of January or not at all. If I don't do it by, usually if I don't do my vision board by like the second week of the new year, I usually won't do it. Like, I haven't did a vision board since, I don't know when I have did a vision board, but the point is, moving forward into the future, 2021, yeah, I'm scared that I'm gonna break it, so I'm going to try and be as gentle with it as I possibly can. This is pretty much my family side of like my family, home life, love, you know, like love. I want 2 dogs eventually. It doesn't, now keep in mind, like, everything that's on your vision board doesn't necessarily have to be something that you absolutely accomplish within the next year, 12 months. You can do a vision board based off of like short-term goals, and just things that you want in your future. It doesn't necessarily have to be within the next year. It can be, you know, you can set your goals at a point where they are like 3 to 5 years, or whatever is going to be more realistic for your lifestyle and your time frame, because everyone's time frame is different. Everyone's, you know, goal standards are different. Everybody's timing is different. So, you know, that's just putting that out there, because a lot of people like stress because we're like, oh my God, I didn't do this year. This was on my vision board. Like, no. It can be short-term goals. It can just be something that you just want to happen in your life. It doesn't necessarily have to have a time frame on it. This is like the beginning of it. It just says my name, Elizabeth. God is my oath. And then 4 characteristics of my name, which is wise, intuitive, magnetic, and strong. Then I have, you know, like this clear image, this clear plain image, 2021. One of my top goals is YouTube, obviously. I want to I didn't even get to put it on here, but I didn't get to put any of because when I put it in Canva, originally when I had put it in Canva, it was like the words was on the bottom, like I could just type the words, but I wasn't able to. That's why I said I'm not finished with the vision board, just because like I need to be able to print out like what I want in this area. Yeah, it's visual, but I want I want my goals to be clear, and I want to know what I want from each part of it. So I want to get to 5K subscribers on YouTube. Another one of my top goals is for 2021 is to get a camera. Like, I need a camera. I don't know why I don't have one, but yeah, I just haven't got there yet. I guess I just haven't got there yet. So that's cool because it's coming. I'm getting a camera. Also, some great things that I like to incorporate on my vision boards are affirmations to live by. These are like the top goals right here. I want to, only have good vibes. Only have good vibes in my space, in my circle, in my everywhere that I'm at. I just want good vibes, good energy, all of that. And I want to strengthen my relationship with Christ, because that's a big part of my journey in life right now. I'm realizing is my walk with God, and just being closer to him and being more connected with him as I go through life experiences. I realize that that's very important. Just having a relationship with God can definitely be life-changing. So in 2021, I definitely want to increase and strengthen my relationship with Christ and just being connected spiritually to him. And something that I realized about myself, like I've been realized this, but I do like a lot of like procrastination. I procrastinate a lot, you BS a lot. You think about it and you sit around and you realize like how much time you actually waste on not doing certain things for whatever reason. You realize that you distract your own self by things that really don't matter. So I put starve your distractions and feed your focus. Focus on what I need to focus on and just stop like procrastinating. Anyway, so over here I have like images of like black owned businesses. I want to try to support black owned businesses, and that's going to be my focus. I want to definitely put more attention, put more of my attention on black owned businesses more than anything. I want to make sure that I continue to save my money and make sure that I have like retirement, my house, my vacation, education if I decide I want to go back to school, or or just having like an overall general savings. This image just to me symbolizes like strong black woman, empowerment, women empowerment, that area. I want to definitely like become more connected with women empowerment and just uplifting others. Melanin, every shade slaves. I just have some pictures of me traveling. Like I want to. This picture, if you don't remember, this was in my living room at my apartment in Maryland. It was a portrait. It was a canvas portrait that I had on my living room wall, and I actually sold it before I moved to LA. So I found the image again when I don't know. I ended up finding this image again, and I was just like, you know what? And then I Googled it and I saw that this is actually in Italy. So I'm just like, you know what? I think that means I'm going to go there. I think that means that's what that means. So I put that one there because I do want to go here and I want to see this exact visual. I want to take pictures somewhere in front of there if I can. Over here I have family. We have some family going on here. I love them so much. My family is a big part of my life. And yeah, this is my little niece. And again, I have another image: black, strong, confident, beautiful. Just words that are encouraging of, me being a black woman. And then of course we have Black Lives Matter over here. I put that on there because in 2021 I want to definitely make sure that I become a part of the movement a little bit more. I want to make sure that I'm actually like, using my voice in a sense, using my voice as much as I can. And if not using my voice, and more so just being more supportive of the Black Lives Matter, because it is something that's important. And I think that we need to shed a little bit more light on it. And these two dogs, again, eventually. It doesn't necessarily have to be within the next year, but this is Huck and this is Marley. Huck and Marley will be my two dogs. Huck is a Great Dane and Marley is a Labradoodle. They're so cute. I love them. Huck and Marley. Those will be their names. I just have some images of flowers here because I feel like flowers obviously are like beautiful. I think that when I think of flowers, I think of like people blooming, people becoming, or just nature. Like flowers symbolize like blossoming, growing, becoming something starting from nothing to becoming and blossoming into something even better. So that's why I have like all the flowers. I love flowers. I have flowers on my sleeve. I have flowers on my body. It's a lot going on in here actually, but all of it is in some way, some shape or form is inspiration to me in my life. In 2021, I want to go to Dubai. So that's why I put this on here. And I keep forgetting that that's what that is. But yeah, this is an image of Dubai because I'm going to Dubai. This is saying basically like trust the wait, embrace the uncertainty, enjoy the beauty of becoming, which basically goes back to my little flower theory. Like I feel like with flowers, you have to trust the wait. You have to embrace the uncertainty of, is this flower going to live or is it going to die? Is it going to blossom or is it going to die? Again, I have fruits and vegetables on here because I want to definitely improve my quarantine diet as much as I can, because I realize that being in quarantine has definitely challenged my health and my fitness and my nutrition tremendously. So in 2021, I want to get back committed to a consistent diet, health, nutrition, all of that good stuff. Subscribe button on here because you need to subscribe, and that's just that on that. But no, I want to get to 5K. And then I also have this is like a image again going back. So I have like health, fitness, nutrition. This is a part of like meditation, wellness, because it's needed. Praying is also a part of wellness. I feel like, when you pray, at least when I pray, I feel a whole lot better about whatever I'm going through. So, just health, fitness, all of that good stuff. Let's get to the 850 because, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to get a credit score of 850. I don't know when, but I'm going to get there. I'm close. I definitely think that within the next year, maybe two years, realistically, a year and a half to 2 years, I can definitely achieve that. It's going to happen. I have this Chanel bag on here because, hello, I love Chanel and I am going to get a Chanel bag. This one's real cute. I found this on Pinterest, but there are a couple. A Chanel bag is a Chanel bag, but yeah, I'm going to get one. And then I have my baby. I don't know what I'm going to name her, but I'm going to get this white Jeep Wrangler. Mark my words. It's going to happen. I just have some beauty images up here. So this is health, fitness, wellness. This is like beauty, skin, all of that good stuff. Money, because I'm going to manifest money into my life. I want to have multiple streams of income. And yeah, that's why I put the money on there. I want to, in 2021, I want to establish at least 3 to 7 different streams of income, consistent streams of income in my life. Some way, somehow, I'm going to manifest it. So it's going to happen. And then, yeah, we have edges, ladies and gentlemen. The edges, because growing, thriving, glowing, growing, and thriving. We're going to glow, grow, and thrive. Some edges into my life, 2021. And then all of this is just like, oh, and I'm doing the big chop. It's going to look like this. I'm getting my hair cut. I'm getting a big chop. Big chop 2021. Stay tuned. My absolute favorite thing on this entire board is this quote that I found. I found this and I was like, this couldn't speak to my spirit any louder than what it is when I first saw it. Like, trust the timing in your life. And that's something that definitely speaks out to me because I have a hard time with that. So I have a very, very hard time with trusting the timing in my life. So I definitely put that on there just as motivation to keep me like, like, whew, okay, girl, it's time to breathe. Trust the timing in your life. Understand that everything happens for a reason, and you need to just embrace where you're at, because I'm always trying to get ahead to the next thing in my life, to the point where I'm not even able to enjoy what I'm currently like living in. I'm not even able to enjoy that because I'm so busy trying to think ahead and get ahead to the next part of my life. So trusting the timing is definitely something that I wanted to put on there that definitely stood out to me. That's my most favorite and important thing on this entire vision board, because you just have to trust that everything that's going on in your life is happening in the timing that it needs to. And remember when I was talking about before, I was saying, like, sometimes we're not ready. Like, what we want so badly, we are not ready for it. And so if you rush it, you won't get the full potential out of the moment that you're living in, because you're so busy trying to live in another moment. You know what I mean? So that's a whole nother thing. So yeah, I'm going to attract money. I'm going to attract multiple ways of income. I'm going to have a business. Some type of hair business is going to be happening for me in the near future. Trust that. I just have these black images to uplift and inspire me and empower me as a black woman. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much all for my vision board, my 2021 vision board, and what I have on it so far. This is a start, but it's not nowhere near complete. I'll add stuff to it, and then I'll probably add like a little, like, I'm definitely going to add like the words, because I need to see, like, I feel like that's a part of like the attracting and the manifestation, is seeing numbers also. So if I have like 5K subscribers, just keeping that like in my mental, like, I will know, like, okay, this is the goal, that's all of a part of the manifestation period. So yeah, I feel so much more like clear-minded going into a new year, and I already have my vision board up. It just feels good. I feel like I have a clear pathway of attracting the things that I want to happen for me in 2021. So I feel like this board definitely is an inspiration to me, and everything, like I said, on it has meaning to me. It has meaning to my life and my goals and my future in some way, shape, or form. Again, you don't necessarily have to do all the things that you put on your vision board within that year. You're definitely able to put a timeline on it, or put it based on your realistic life and your realistic timeline. Don't let anyone make you feel like you have to do all these different things, even if it's maybe one or two things that you want to do, and they're very, very big goals, or even if they're very, very small. Whatever is important to you, just make sure that you write it down, pray about it, think about it often, think about different strategies and different ways that you are be able to attract meeting that goal and what you need to do to get there. Again, it doesn't have to be all of this. It doesn't even have to be all of this. You can make a vision board and you can put one or two things on it, and put what you want, write it down, but have it somewhere so that you see it often, you see it every day, and that you're able to, make strides into how you're going to do it. I'm excited. I'm proud of myself, because this is one of the first few years that I've like did this whole like vision board before I actually got into the new year. But yeah, like I said, I feel a lot more level-headed. I feel a lot more like clear. I know what's going to happen. I know what I want to happen, and I am just like super proud of myself. So you guys, that's pretty much all for my 2021 vision board tutorial, and I hope you guys have a great new year. I hope everyone, write out your goals, figure out what it is that you want, what you see for yourself in the new year, smash it, make it happen, and make strides to progress every single day. And it will come. It will come. I'm going to get all that money. I don't even know how much money that is, but I'm going to get it. Trust me, it's going to happen. Y'all going to be like, Liz, you bought your Jeep? And I'll be like, yep, I sure did. I ended 2020 getting fired from my job, but I'm going to get every single thing on this board. It's going to happen. And it don't necessarily have to happen in 2021. It might happen in 2025, but it's going to happen. But anyways, yes, you guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in 2021. Happy New Year to you all, and I hope you guys smash and kill every single last goal. Don't give up. Keep pushing. Keep going. Even if you don't see the progress, even if you don't see any of the results, keep going and know that it matters, and every little bit counts. I love you, and I will see you guys in 2021.